What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new, and in today's video I'm taking over for Jesse on doing an Auxbeam headlight bulb install video. Should be pretty quick and easy, pretty simple. It's mostly just plug and play. You don't need any special tools or anything like that, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright you guys, as you can see in my truck right now I have the factory H11 halogen bulbs. That's like that yellow kind of color that no one really likes. We're gonna go ahead and swap that out for the Auxbeam headlight bulbs and then see what those look like. Inside the box that you get from Auxbeam, this is what the headlights look like. You get your product manual, which also tells you how to install these headlight bulbs. A sticker from Auxbeam, your warranty information. Grab one of your headlight bulbs and take it out, and we're gonna go ahead and head back to the truck and install it. Alright, first things first for this install is you're gonna want to go ahead and open up your hood and locate the back side of your headlight. Alright, once you have located the back of your headlight, you'll notice that your main driver headlight will be on the farthest in towards the fender. You want to go ahead and twist your bulb counterclockwise and then pull out, but be very careful because it is glass. Once you found it, on the back side of your stock halogen headlights, once you locate the back of your headlight bulb, you want to press this tab and that'll allow you to release the factory bulb from this. Don't lose this because it will fall down if you let it go, so just try to find a spot for it to rest so you don't lose that. Once you have your the wire harness from the vehicle set aside, you're gonna want to go ahead and grab your Auxbeam headlight, which is this right here, and then also on the back of it you will have this resistor control box on the back of it. That helps it so it doesn't short out or flicker or anything electrical that can go wrong with your actually LED. This protects your truck and the light itself. You'll notice on the back of it, it does have a connector just like your stock halogen bulbs, but you will also notice on the back of it, it does have a positive and negative symbol on it. What you will need to do is line that up with your factory plug-in, and take note of the white and black, the white line with the black stripe and the red wire. What that's going to indicate is your positive and your negative. The white is your ground. Your red one is going to be your positive. So make sure you get the positive and negative to line up with these two wires from your vehicle wiring harness. Once you've located that and determine which one is which, go ahead and plug it in and you should be good to go. Now all that's left to do is you can zip tie all this extra cable in the resistor box or whatever it's called. You can go ahead and zip tie this somewhere else or just kind of let it dangle down below. But also be careful with these Auxbeam headlight bulb replacements. They are universal, so take note that this ring can come on and off. This is what customizes it to your headlights specific needs. So just be careful and note that this is universal. So what you will need to do is when you're putting this inside your headlight, make sure to grab hold of this section right here where this rubber garment is, or rubber O-ring is. And make sure you grip that when you're twisting it into your headlight, because it will just slide around and not move, if that makes sense. So go ahead and do the exact opposite from when you took your factory halogen out and put this one in. Basically you want to put this one in and rotate it clockwise. Alright you guys, that's pretty much it. All you really have to do is just twist your headlight, your factory headlight bulb, twist that counterclockwise, pull it out, unplug it, plug in the Auxbeam headlight, and put that one in and rotate that one clockwise. Very simple, very straightforward, super simple, easy install. Now you can go ahead and take a look of the before and after of the halogen and the LED headlight. There you have it. Here's the new Auxbeam LED headlight bulbs inside of the headlights. No more ugly yellow. You guys already know what the halogens look like, chances are, because you already have them in your vehicle. if you do plan on doing the Auxbeam upgrade with their LED headlight bulb replacements, this is a somewhat of a example of what it will look like. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, obviously, but this is just the Auxbeam LED headlight bulbs. So those are the ambers from Brenden for Tacos that are on as well, but pretty much just the ambers, just the Auxbeam headlight bulbs are on, and those ones. And that's generally what it will look like. And then if you're curious, on the inside of the truck, this is what the outside view looks like. Alright you guys, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, straightforward, easy install, no tools required. Pretty much just plug and play. Yeah, that's it for today's video, and yeah, see you guys next time. Alright, what's up you guys? For those of you that don't know me, my name is Chris. Hi Grandma. Alright. I need to rehearse this. I'm cold. Oh. Oh.